on the chair, kurs fariso, walk, soka, stand, step wae, jump, bod wae, dog, wae, girl, gabar, mother, hoyo wae, uncle, aderi wae, brother, abowe, grandfather, awowe, grandmother, ayeyo wae, house, guri wae, come here, inta inao, shoes, covers wae, bag, abeti wae, drink water, dew up, drink milk, ano up, or up ano, baby sit, unug fariso, or yer fariso, stop, jog wae, come here, inta inao, this is mine, ani was askale, go back wae, a cat, for example, a sentence like a cat sat on a mat, we say bisat or nyanyu ufadiso akasari wae. This is a team, kan